In this Omega AI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that is claiming that it can help you launch your own chatbot and help you manage all of your business. So make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Omega AI is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi, and if you want to get my 5 proven steps to quit your 9 to 5 job with affiliate marketing, make sure you click the first link in the description. So basically, Omega AI can give you a lot of features just like ChatGPT and Bard. So if you scroll a bit, so this is the demo video. So no matter what, if you're in the if you want any specialization or if you want any questions or answers related to cybersecurity specialist, you can ask it. Then you could be asking a finance expert. So these are the different chatbots Omega AI give you. So it's an 8-in-1 AI chatbot. So there is an SEO expert, so you could be asking this chatbot. Then there is a medicine expert, then a marketing expert. So you could be going into any of these 8-in-1 AI chatbot and ask these questions and you could be getting your answers. But the real question is, are these AI chatbots really worth your time? So that's the question you need to be asking yourself. So at the time of recording this video, the product is currently $17. I think there's a little fluctuation between $13.93 to $17. So it can be in the middle. The front end is like that. So you get a discount of 13 if you use the coupon or something. That's what I believe. So you can do that if you want. So that's how it works. But the thing I want to tell you guys is that in order to access Omega AI, you need to be purchasing all of these OTUs and upgrades in order to get the entire features of this particular product. So if you go to the front end, you might get a lot of features like I have shown you here. So these are some of the features that you could be getting. You could ask a cybersecurity specialist some question and it can answer you back, but the answers are related to cybersecurity. So you could be getting all of that in the front end, and the thing is that the features that they provide is pretty much basic. You need to keep that in mind. So once you get into the front end, you will think like there isn't much features and you will again go to the first upgrade. And then after you get the first upgrade, you will go to the second upgrade. And this is how this particular funnel works. So in order to get all the features, you will have to pay a lot of money, which is kind of like a red flag I found in Omega AI. So if you go to ChatGPT, and you can basically ask any questions related to SEO or cybersecurity or anything, and you could be getting all of these answers for pretty much free. So that's the cool thing about ChatGPT, and you really don't need Omega AI in the first place. So that's what I'm saying. They're charging you all this money, and ChatGPT is basically doing that for free. And they're claiming that they're better than ChatGPT. And let me tell you from my experience reviewing all these products, I'll tell you 100% ChatGPT is way better. Or if you want to look for a way better product, you can just go to DeepSeek AI, and this is also free. You don't have to spend any money. So you could be asking any question, SEO related or medicine related, any questions, DeepSeek will help you. So you don't particularly need this Omega AI in the first place. So that's what I want to tell you. And also the other features, if you just look at the demo video, you have email content writing, blog writing, article writing, website SEO content. So all of these features, ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI could help you do that. And you have ads content, that's also you could be doing with ChatGPT and DeepSeek. And you have YouTube content, it's basically the script, nothing else, that also DeepSeek and ChatGPT can help you. Then for the image generator, and that also ChatGPT does, and audio to text and text to speech, you could be going to 11 Labs. This is a fantastic software and they basically have a free trial. You could go with them. And the pricing is not insane like you see in Omega AI, which is a lot of money. You will have to spend all this money in order to get the full features of Omega AI. This is particularly the reason why I don't recommend this particular software. And also one problem I found was if you go to the vendor, So this is the vendor that make the product Omega AI. It's going to be in the market very soon. And if you look at his other products, so this is where you go. All of his previous products have got very low star review. So his past product, which is AI Titan, has got 1.48 reviews, then 1.3 star review and 1.8 star review. And his average reviews are 1.46 star. And one thing to keep in mind, he has got almost this much sales. So almost 33,500 sales. And he deleted all of his past products. I mean, I don't know why he deleted all of his products, but only 3 of his products is shown here. So all his past products have got very low star review, and trusting a vendor that is making all these products, you shouldn't be trusting him. So that's the thing. I think you shouldn't be trusting him. And also one thing I saw was, if you look at the image generation that is made by the demo video, the image generated was pretty basic. I think okay. So the image is pretty much basic. You can go to Leonardo AI and get a much better AI photo basically for free. So you don't have to rely on this. I think this is basically very basic. You could either use ChatGPT also to make image. Even WhatsApp AI has an image generation tool for absolutely free. So I don't think Omega AI is the best tool in the market. So this is kind of like a way, and if you look at the O2s and upgrade, so this is kind of like a way that the vendor makes more money. As you can see, 33,000 sales with just 1.46 star review. I wouldn't really recommend him. All he's trying to do is make a very attractive sales page to get all the clients and customers and make these people buy this product. So that's what it does, and you're not going to be getting any value from this. All the value goes to the vendor. He's going to be making a lot of money if you look at the vendor's profile. So that's particularly the reason why I don't recommend this vendor and his product. And in order to identify a good vendor or a good product, the person needs to have at least 4-star review. So 4-star review or 4-star above, you can trust that vendor or that particular product. So this is a big red flag and I wouldn't really recommend. So that's basically it for this video of Omega AI. Now, if you still want to go ahead and purchase it, all you have to do is just scroll all the way down till here. And you could be seeing all the features. And this is where you get the price. So at the time of recording, I think they are still working on the sales page. So here it says $16, here it says $15, but it's going to fluctuate between $13 and $17 as I've mentioned. But I wouldn't personally recommend. And also I think you get a money back guarantee of 30 days. So you can go with it if you want, but still you're not sure about if the vendor is going to even return the money, because some of these reviews may be about the product and the vendor himself of not returning the taking or returning the product. So you have to keep that in mind. So that's why I really don't recommend Omega AI. But if you want to go with it, you can go with it if you want. So that's basically it. Now, if you're still watching this video and if you're looking for a way to make big money online, I'm talking about a way to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month. If you're looking to make that kind of money, I suggest you click the first link in the description, in which you get a free affiliate marketing guide, which is my 5 proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with affiliate marketing. So that's it. And I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.